The LEVOIT Vital Pet Pro Air Purifier is designed to help reduce pet hair floating through the air, dander collecting on furniture, litter box odors, wet dog smells, and everything else that comes with owning pets in order to keep your home's air clean. Unlike a standard air purifier that simply pulls air through a filter, this model was built specifically with pet owners in mind. One of the standout features is the auto cleaning pre-filter. If you've ever owned an air purifier before, you know the pre-filter can quickly become covered in pet hair, reducing airflow and requiring frequent cleaning. The unit has a built-in scraper that automatically removes hair and dust from the pre-filter and collects it in a removable tray, helping maintain the performance while cutting down on maintenance. Another challenge for pet owners is that air quality can change throughout the day without you realizing it. Maybe the dog just came inside from the backyard, the cat kicked up litter dust, or multiple pets are moving around the house. The Vital Pet Pro uses dual air quality sensors that monitor both particles and airborne contaminants. And when it's in auto mode, it can automatically increase fan speed when air quality drops and slow back down once the air has been cleaned. So you're not constantly adjusting settings yourself, and this prolongs the life of your filter and your unit. Pet hair is the issue that seems impossible to stay ahead of for just about any pet owner. Now this is our Old English Bulldog Elton, and he sleeps at the foot of our bed every night, while our newborn sleeps about 5 feet away. I'm rather embarrassed to show this, but watch as I vacuum the carpet where he sleeps. This is just a few days worth of hair, and we have to do this regularly, otherwise the odor becomes so overwhelming as soon as we walk in our room. So this purifier is an absolute game changer for us. LEVOIT designed this purifier with a wide U-shaped air inlet that's specifically engineered to capture floating pet hair before it has a chance to settle around the room. And combined with the high carbon filtration system, it really helps reduce airborne dander while also targeting common pet related odors that traditional filters often struggle to remove. And one feature I think a lot of people will appreciate is the smart app control. Using the VeSync app, you can check your home's air quality in real time, monitor filter life, view air quality trends over time, and even create schedules so the purifier runs automatically when you want it to. For example, you might have it increase filtration during the day when pets are most active and switch it to a quieter setting overnight. And speaking of nighttime, sleep mode operates as low as 21 decibels, making it quiet enough to run in a bedroom without becoming a distraction. There are also some thoughtful pet-friendly touches like a display lock to prevent curious kids or pets from changing settings, and a chew-resistant power cord designed to withstand the occasional nibble without exposing internal wiring. And performance is also important. This purifier is AHAM verified and designed to refresh the air multiple times per hour in typical living spaces, helping tackle dust, pollen, pet dander, and airborne particles throughout the day. The combination of automatic pre-filter cleaning, smart sensing technology, odor reduction, and pet-focused design makes it a practical solution for households with dogs, cats, or multiple pets. So overall, if you're tired of constantly dealing with pet hair, pet odors, and allergens circulating throughout your home, the LEVOIT Vital Pet Pro offers a more hands-off approach to keeping your air cleaner. It's designed to do more than just filter air, helps address some of the specific frustrations that come with sharing your home with pets. This is not the first LEVOIT cleaning product that I've owned, so if you have not experienced any of their cleaning products, from vacuums to air purifiers, give it a shot. I really do not think you will be disappointed. Take it from me, who has 3 kids and a shedding and drooling bulldog. Keeping my house clean seems like our #1 priority from the moment we wake up to going to bed. But I hope this was helpful. Reach out anytime for questions or concerns, and have a great day.